Thank you, Caitlin. Almost every woman will have to deal with cellulite at some point in life. One of our viewers asked me to find out if there's anything new on the market to help with dimpling skin.
Our viewer Maria says that she has been eating right. She's been on a diet. She's exercising. She still can't get rid of the cellulite on her thighs and buttocks and wants to know if there's anything these days that actually works.
You know, Melissa, I hear that so much from so many of our patients that come into both of our clinics. We have two devices that we use primarily for cellulite. One of them is Cool Sculpting. Cool Sculpting uses a technique called cryolipolysis that freezes fat cells, causing those fat cells to go into apoptosis, minimizing the number of fat cells that are between the connective tissue, those fibers that actually cause the lumpiness and that puffiness and that dimpling from cellulite. If you can remove the number of fat cells that are in between those fibers, it'll help to smooth out the skin and give a nice even tone and complexion to it. We also have another device called Fractura Tight Effects. It uses the opposite. Instead of freezing, it actually uses radio frequency. It goes in and heats up, helps to liquefy the lipids inside the fat cells, melting the fat cells, shrinking them. It also puts those fat cells into apoptosis, so it permanently gets rid of those fat cells, and then it increases the collagen in that area being treated by about 25%, so it tightens the skin at the same time. So depending on the type of cellulite, some women have a puffier, more external cellulite. We'll use something like Cool Sculpting, because if you can pinch, pull, or grab it, we can freeze it off. But if it's tight and it's more of a dimpled effect, we use things like the radiofrequency Fractura Tight Effects, because it can go in and heat up, melt down, and remove those fat cells that are leaning against that connective fascia tissue, smoothing it out, and then also tightening the skin.
All that information coming in from Renew Body Contouring. I can ask the doctor a question for you. Just find me on Facebook at Melissa Wilson, Fox 26, or on Twitter at Melissa Fox 26.